Dynatest has revolutionized pavement engineering for roads and airports across the world. With our multifunctional vehicle, we're able to efficiently and effectively eliminate the need for manual inspections. Our technology is faster, more reliable, and provides real-time access to essential pavement quality data. Historically, the inspection and grading of road and airport pavement condition has been managed manually through visual inspection. These methods are subjective, slow, and potentially unsafe. The multifunctional vehicle, or MFV, combines the accuracy and repeatability of our road surface profiler with the laser crack measurement system from Pavemetrics to give precise measurements and identification of surface distresses while promoting safety and efficiency. The MFV measures the International Roughness Index, ride number, bowing bump index, longitudinal and transverse profile, macro texture, geometrics including crossfall, gradient and radius of curvature, plus 2D or 3D pavement imagery, while also providing photo logging from 1 to 8 right-of-way cameras. The MFV brings safety to the forefront, allowing surveys of roads, highways and airports to be performed from a vehicle at normal traffic speed. So how does the multifunctional vehicle work? The centrally positioned profile bar can hold anywhere from 1 to 21 lasers. This bar is 2.43 meters in width and allows the measurement of the transverse profile, with the 2 long-range lasers on each side, to measure to a width of 3.4 to 3.6 meters. 2 accelerometers and 2 lasers are positioned to measure the International Roughness Index in each wheel path, while a third laser is set in the center to measure the International Roughness Index there. These 3 lasers on the Dynatest MFV are texture lasers, providing a vertical resolution of 0.01 millimeters and giving us the ability to simultaneously collect International Roughness Index and macro texture data at the same time. The equipment meets both the ASTM Class 1 standard for both texture measurements, requiring a minimum vertical resolution of 0.05 millimeters, and roughness measurements, requiring a minimum vertical resolution of 0.1 millimeters. Poor macro texture could be an indication of poor friction and can also affect how water impacts the ride surface. The laser crack measurement system projects a 4 meter by 1 millimeter line, a total of 4,096 pixels, onto the pavement surface and to a vertical resolution of 0.5 millimeters. This line will be distorted by any macro texture, cracking or rutting it sweeps across. The line image is digitized. Our system takes a sample 6,500 times per second. These line images are then automatically combined to give 2D and 3D images of the pavement surface. The LCMS can be used for rut measurement, macro texture in 5 lanes, and to collect 2D and 3D images for automatic crack detection and the collection of pavement distress information. An inertial motion unit consisting of a 3-axis gyroscope collects information on the gradient, crossfall, and radius of curvature. The Dynatest MFV has the unique functionality called Stop and Go, which enables data to be collected at speeds from 0 to 15 km per hour over a short distance. Without this functionality, it would be impossible to test sections of pavement less than 150 meters long, or areas where speeds have to be reduced below 15 to 20 km per hour, such as junctions and roundabouts. It's been shown that without Stop and Go, the road owner may not be able to collect data on up to 1/3 of their network. Up to 8 right-of-way cameras can be attached to the system, each capable of taking an image every 5 meters. The images are used to view the pavement and any peripheral assets such as signs and barriers. A very precise distance measuring instrument is used to measure the distance travelled linearly along the pavement. Extreme accuracy is provided through an Aplanix GPS unit with an OmniStar subscription, which combines data from 2 differential global positioning systems with data from the inertial motion unit and distance measuring instrument to give a precise location at any time during testing. Inside the MFV, the driver follows routing which has been set up prior to testing on a navigational device. The operator runs and checks data as it's collected. All data is displayed graphically and numerically, analysed and then stored in real time. Engineers use Dynatest Explorer to display, plot and view the data on a GIS map. The crack data from the LCMS is classified into longitudinal, transverse, block and alligator cracking using an algorithm in the Distress Rating Module, or DRM. Finally, the engineer will check the 2D and 3D images, using the tools within the DRM to manually check and enter distresses. In essence, the Dynatest Multi Function Vehicle collects accurate and consistent raw data on the condition of the pavement surface as it's travelling, which is then processed to categorise each distress in the surface by classification type, severity, width, length, position and GPS coordinates. Operating at traffic speed removes the need for traffic management, and data can be collected at speeds of up to 100 km per hour. With rapid evaluation and screening of all sections of the network, the crack detection and crack classification procedures allow for fast, objective, accurate, cost-effective and safe identification of pavement distress. Pavement engineers worldwide should have the best tools available to assess and model pavements. The MFV is a product of real-world practical equipment development. Engineers need high-quality, accurate, reproducible and repeatable data to effectively manage roads and airport networks. The Dynatest MFV meets and exceeds these needs, offering the ability not only to utilize data in management systems, such as the Dynatest PERS system for roads and the Dynatest Airports Management System, but it also enables engineers to forecast pavement condition over a 20 to 25 year period. The combination of structural data from the FWD and functional data from the MFV offers potential savings of up to 20 to 25% per year when compared to the cost of repairing a visibly damaged pavement surface. One company offers the entire solution: Dynatest.